G'day everybody, hope you're all well. Trader Cobb here. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Trader Cobb, C-O-B-B. Jump on my Facebook, give me a like, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And also go to tradercobb.com where you can subscribe to the bi-weekly video newsletter and pick up all the odds and bits and bobs from around my voice and around my trading style, guys. So jump on there, share it across all your socials, share it with your friends and family, and let's continue to build this community. Now, what am I looking at today and what am I going to talk about today? Well, it's the anatomy of reading a chart, really. I'm doing it real time as opposed to using slides, just simply because I've got the opportunity to do so right now, and I'm going to use Bitcoin Cash. Why am I using Bitcoin Cash? Because I want to show you what I'm seeing. And many people will just see Bitcoin Cash consolidating here and not doing a great deal. And you'd be right. You'd be right. That's absolutely spot on. But what is also important is what the price is telling us. Now, you hear me talk about trading and reading chart patterns and reading the price, not so much chart patterns, so reading price action, much the same as learning a language, and I stand by that very, very strongly. What is the price actually telling us? Well, what we're saying here is here's a low, higher low here, higher low here. Note that we've continued to stay on around that same level of resistance there. Now, if I just jump down the lower time frames here, and it's actually the 8 hour I want to focus on because it makes it nice and clear to see. Higher low again, higher low, and we're going resistance 1, 2, 3. Didn't quite get there this time. What we are seeing is this succession of higher lows coming in. Now, what's that actually telling us? Well, buyers came back, a large amount of sellers came. This amount, not so much large, but a larger amount. Then we came back up into that resistance and couldn't get through it, right? Then we saw it roll back over, and even fewer sellers came back than last time. Now we've pushed back up, got close, and we're coming off again. Now, if we can set a new higher low here, what this actually does is it starts to create a bit of a picture around one of my trading strategies called the Bitcoin breakout. These higher lows represent that shift in momentum towards the upside. And if that resistance was to break to the upside, then what we'd likely see is a continuation of that momentum moving higher. Now, we always need to have an entry and a stop loss when we are to trade. Now, these higher lows often represent a good place for our stop loss to go. And why is that? The reason is this. Let's say price goes up and breaks through the high of this resistance and starts to move up. Then it comes back down and starts to break lower. So we'll have a higher low, and then if it breaks up, we'll have a higher high, i.e. on this 8 hour time frame, we'll then have an uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. Now, if that higher high then turns around and moves back down and takes out what was the higher low, we go from higher highs and higher lows to higher high and lower low. And a higher high and a lower low is not an uptrend. As a matter of fact, it is considered to be no trend. And when there is no trend, you won't find me trading. So basically, it's the point at which my reason for entering the trade becomes invalidated. That's when my stop loss goes. And the way that I can do that, obviously with my trading strategies, I've got literal checklists. Now, you can go through the checklist, tick them off, all right? But if you don't have my trading strategies, that's fine. Understanding how to read the price can help you to decide whereabouts your stop losses are going to go. And it's a hugely important part of trading, not only knowing where to enter, but knowing where to get out if it's to go against you. A lot of people fail to do this, and it's really going to hurt their trading. So coming back to this, higher lows coming into this, and also on the daily, if we were to break up through here, we'd also have a higher low and a higher high there on the daily. And having a short-term uptrend is quite important there as well, guys. So again, coming back, we just need to understand what we're looking at. The succession of higher highs and higher lows is an uptrend. The succession of lower highs and lower lows is a downtrend, and we need to focus on what the chart is telling us, guys. So that's a little lesson for today, understanding what we're reading on the charts. Don't forget to share this across all your socials, guys. If you do like what I'm putting out there, I do it for free. So please, I'd love you to grow the community and share it with your friends and family and all across your socials. Also, jump on tradercobb.com and get yourself subscribed there to the bi-weekly video newsletter. There's one more thing. I do a podcast now. You can find it across just about all podcasting channels right now, heavily on iTunes. It's Trader Cobb Crypto Show. So it's pretty straightforward there, guys. I'll give you a daily snippet, a bit of a rant, a bit of a chat, a bit of fun, and I've got some amazing guests coming up on that podcast. So jump in, subscribe to that, and get plugged into all that is Trader Cobb and my community, and we'll continue to work and grow and learn together. Have a fantastic trading day. Bye for now.